गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फोर्थ। आज हम इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक में वर्कआउट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर यूनिट 8 चैप्टर नंबर 2 दैट इज़ द गिविंग ट्री ऑन पेज नंबर 95। तो इस बुक में हम आज वर्किंग करेंगे। जैसे कि ये चैप्टर हमने समझ लिया है कि ट्री हमेशा हमें कुछ ना कुछ देते ही रहते हैं। इसमें भी एक लेखक था, एक बच्चा था पहले, जो ओल्ड होने तक हमेशा ट्री से कुछ ना कुछ लेता रहा और लास्ट में ना ही ट्री के पास कुछ बचा उसे देने के लिए, ना ही उस लेखक के पास बचा कुछ मांगने के लिए। तो आज हम इस चैप्टर को वर्कबुक में कंप्लीट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन ए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। हाउ डिड द बॉय एंजॉय द कंपनी ऑफ द ट्री? आंसर, the boy enjoyed the company of the tree by climbing on its trunk, चढ़कर, swinging from its branches, झूला झूलकर, and eating apples. How did the tree help the boy earn money? किस तरह से ट्री ने हेल्प की थी? The tree helped the boy by giving its apples to sell them in the market to earn money. What did the boy make with the branches of the tree? क्या बनाया? With the branches of the tree, the boy made a house to live with his family. What did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? Trunk से क्या बनाया? With the trunk of the tree, the boy made a boat to sail. How was the stump of the tree useful? The stump of the tree was useful for sitting and resting on it. Why is the play called the giving tree? The play is called the giving tree because in each step of the boy's life, the tree helped him by giving something. Turn your page. Here's question number B, that is, write the correct answer. When the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. When the boy stayed away for a long time, the tree was sad. The boy carried the tree's branches to build a house. What did the old man mean? A quiet place to sit and rest. Now fill in the blanks. Every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its company. The tree was happy to give its shade. The boy was going on a business trip. The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. An old stump is good for sitting and resting on. The boy grew older and went away. Here, true and false. The boy enjoyed the company of the tree. That's true. The tree helped the boy earn money. True. The boy needed a house for his wife and children. True. The boy carried away the trunk of the tree and built a house. False. The young man was going on a pilgrimage. False. The old man was too tired to climb the trees. False. Make new words and complete the sentences. You have to make new words from the brackets given. The children love to sing loudly. Read your lesson silently. Throw the ball slowly. The tree gave its fruit to the boy happily. Do your work neatly. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. My mother went to the market and bought a kilogram of apples, a dozen bananas, and a dozen oranges. I love oranges, so I ate an orange. My brother wanted a banana, and my sister asked, turn your page, for an apple. A tree has one trunk but many branches. A branch has a number of leaves and flowers. Now write these sentences in correct order. You have to rearrange them. It gave him its branches to make a house. Then it gave him its branches to make a house. It asked him to sit on the stump. Finally, it asked him to sit on the stump. You have to use this bracket words and write down here. It gave him its trunk to make a boat. After that, it gave him its trunk to make a boat. The tree gave its apples to a boy. First, the tree gave its apples to the boy. Work in group and decide the things that you can do to help your grandparents or any old person. You have to write 5 things you will do for your grandparents. Stick, spectacles, medicine, denture and hearing machine. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Prepositions are given here. You have to fill up the blanks. But time went on and the boy grew older and went away. One day the boy came to the tree. The tree asked him to climb up its trunk and swing from its branches. The boy was too big to climb and play. The tree asked him to pluck its apples and sell them in the market. The boy was going on a business trip. He cut off the trunk of the tree and the tree was left only with a stump. Here you have to write down plurals. Tree, trees. Branch, branches. Day, days. Leaf, leaves. Child, children. Boat, boats. House, houses. Boy, boys. Apple, apples. Thing, things. Ear, ears. Tooth, teeth. Trunk, trunks. Book, books. Turn your page. Why should we not cut trees? There's a question. Trees are very useful. Trees are very useful to us. They are our friends. They keep our environment clean. So we should not cut them. One more thing. Trees always give us something and something. At the end of the play, only the stump of tree is left. Find out if it will grow into a tree again. अगर सिर्फ लास्ट में स्टम्प रहा था तो इसमें क्या पूछा गया है कि वापस से वो ट्री बन सकता है? नो, इट कैन नॉट ग्रो. अगर हम बूढ़े हो जाते हैं तो वापस से हम जवान या छोटे बच्चे नहीं बन सकते. Here choose the right word from the poem. Tinta and Chitu is a tamarind tree. This famous tree is in Gwalior. Tansen was a famous singer. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's tomb. Eat the leaves of tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. Here is importance of tree. You have to write down paragraph of the tree. The trees are very important for our environment. They play an important role in human life also. The tree gives us many things like fruits, flowers, wood, shade, etc. Each and every part of a tree is useful. They are used to make medicine, dyes, etc. The tree keeps the air clean by taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. The trees are our true friend. We should plant more trees. Yes, our Unit 8 Chapter 2 is over. Students, complete this in your workbook. Thank you.